Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to recover a hacked Facebook account without email and phone number. So if you encounter this kind of message inside your email inbox telling you that your Facebook password was changed and you're very sure that you're not the one who changed that password, then chances are that your Facebook account has been hacked. So you need to act fast before the hacker even goes deeper to change the name of that account. So I'll be walking you through step by step on how to recover that account in less than 12 hours. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to go ahead and open the browser that you normally use. So in my case, I'll open Chrome browser. Now here in the search bar, just type in Facebook account compromised, as you can see, and then make sure you search for it. So guys, here before clicking any link, just tap on those three dots at the top right corner and make sure you enable desktop site. Now guys, make sure you zoom in. Now click the very first link, report compromised account, tap on that. So you need to click on my account is compromised, tap on that. So guys, when you land here, just submit the email or phone number of the account that you want to recover. Now here under password, just make sure you submit the current password before the account was hacked. Now tap on login 3 times and then land to this page. If you're worried about the security of your account, we can help you. So select the second option, someone else got into my account without my permission, tap on that and then tap on continue button at the bottom. So they tell you let's secure your account, just tap on get started. So guys, for you to keep your account secure, you need to update your password, review the email and the people you added on your account. So tap on continue. Then you need to submit a strong password for your Facebook account. Now tap on continue. So here guys, you need to check the email addresses. If you don't recognize, you can remove them. Also here guys, you've been required to remove those people never followed or added. Now scroll down and choose those accounts and go ahead and remove those accounts and then tap on continue. As you can see, it tells you all done. Now tap on go to newsfeed. You can use either your browser or your Facebook application. As you can see, we have now successfully recovered this hacked Facebook account. So that's all it takes for you to recover a hacked Facebook account without email and phone number. So if you found value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell icon for more recovery videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.